Good morning, students. Today, I would like to give some of the suggestions to prevent the spreading of the third wave of the coronavirus. So, we know that whenever the coronavirus spreading from China to various countries, so in that our country was also faced a lot of problem by the spreading of the first wave coronavirus. So lakhs of the people infected by the coronavirus, but at the spreading of the first wave of the coronavirus in our country, our government took the lot of steps, lot of measurements to control the spreading coronavirus, to prevent the coronavirus. People also feared a lot and followed the safety measures, safety methods. By that, in the first wave coronavirus, the human loss was very little in our country as compared to other countries. Whenever the spreading of the coronavirus slowly decreasing in our country, the government slowly lifted the restrictions of the lockdown. So by that, people felt the coronavirus was completely wiped out from our country. There was no danger from the coronavirus. By that, we celebrated lot of functions, marriages, and opened cinema theaters, functionals. There was no rules and regulations to move outside. By that, people, no one was followed the safety measurements or safety methods. By that, we saw the second wave. In that second wave, we know that lakhs of the human being lives lost our country because of we neglected the coronavirus. We neglected to follow the safety measurements or safety methods. So at present, the World Health Organization is giving or suggesting to the countries, in shortly the third wave is coming. So in our country at present, the second wave level is decreasing. By that, many of the states lifted the lockdown. At the same time, WHO announced shortly the third wave is coming, and our AIMS director Guleria was also announced the third wave is shortly coming. So what we have to do to prevent the third wave? So in first wave we took the lot of safety measurements. By that, the human loss was very little. In the second wave, we completely neglected. By that, we saw the great human loss in our country. At present, in front, the third wave is there. So what we have to do to prevent the spreading of the third wave? So here, whatever the followed the safety measurements, safety methods at the time of the first wave, the same methods, same measurements we should follow even at third wave also. So here, the first is wear the mask, wear the mask. So always we should wear the 3-layer mask, 3-layer mask. So it is very, very important. The 2-layer mask is not enough to prevent the spreading of the coronavirus. So we have to focus to wear the 3-layer mask is very, very important. So it is the first thing. So whenever we step out from our home, we must and should wear the 3-layer mask. It is compulsory. The second thing is use sanitizer. So whenever we step out from our home, always we should carry sanitizer, a small sanitizer bottle. Wherever it is required, whenever it is required, we should use this sanitizer bottle to prevent the spreading of the coronavirus. The third thing is maintain physical distance. So at present, the second wave is going to end. Government lifted lockdown. The people are moving here and there with groups. So we should avoid gathering at one place, whether they are relatives, whether they are there are functions, whatever it, we should completely avoid the gather at one place. So that is very, very important. So another one important is, at present we are looking the government freely giving the vaccine, but many of the people fearing about of the vaccine. So what we have to do being a student, so those who crossed the 18 years of the age, we should give them suggestions, we should give them advices to take the vaccine. The vaccine is the very, very powerful weapon to prevent the third wave. So here the 2 doses of the vaccine is very, very important. The central government announced, by giving the order of the Supreme Court, central government announced free vaccination for entire country. So here the vaccine is not for the below 18 years age of the children. So that the vaccine is only for the adults. So here below 18 years of the age people, so they must and should follow these 3: wear the mask, use sanitizer, maintain physical distance. The vaccination is only for those who crossed the 18 years. So we should tell them, even though they vaccinated, they also must and should follow the wear the mask, use the sanitizer, maintain the physical distance. By that we can prevent the spreading of the third wave of coronavirus. So stay home, stay safe, prevent the third wave of the coronavirus. I hope you understood, and also you are capable to give suggestions, advices to your neighbors to prevent the third wave of the coronavirus. Thank you.